So this is a diesel filter. It needs to be replaced every 60,000. It's very important. As you can see, this is a brand new filter. At the bottom, it catches the water on the diesel filters. At the top is your diesel filter. You've got your inlet and your outlet, and this is your return. So your water trap switch comes in here to pick up if there's any water in the diesel system. These days, we've picked up all the diesel systems got thinned out with paraffin. So it's so thin like water, so diesel traps is also, the water trap also picks it up and puts the diesel fluid back into the diesel system so that your fuel lines can run smoothly. The reason why you have to change it every time, because like I said, this paraffin has been added into the diesel system, in the diesels, and some injectors can't handle it. It's too thin to get it through, and then you get errors on the system. It can be faithful for the injectors, so that's why this is a protector system to protect further damage on your vehicle and on your engine.